Welcome back. We are now inside of Gumroad, and one of the things that you'll notice is that the only way that we're going to be able to integrate our GetResponse account with our Gumroad activity, if that is where we're going to be selling products online, is that we will need to have a third party. In this particular case, you can enable Zapier as your third party in order to connect to Gumroad and other platforms that GetResponse may connect to. Now, inside of Zapier, GetResponse is an application that can be made available to connect platforms you are working with. As you can see, Gumroad is also a platform that we can connect to Zapier. Instead of needing to manually create webhooks, what we'll be able to do is to connect these two platforms through the use of Zapier. What that means is that when there is a new sale in Gumroad, we can set off an action inside of Zapier to connect to another cloud-based service that we are using. And we can make it so that when the sale occurs in Gumroad, we can set off an event inside of GetResponse. And what we can do is we can create or update a contact in GetResponse. And so in Zapier, what we would do is we would map out the connection. Once the connection is established, we can then click Continue. Zapier will then have us to test the step. Once we do that, we can then publish the Zap. And basically, when there is a sale in Gumroad, we can then have the individual that made the purchase added to our GetResponse email marketing list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.